This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eason. Why wait to build? This beautiful Delray floor plan is ready for you with many upgrades. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a beautiful preserve lot in the sought-after 55-plus community of Cascades at River Hall. It has tile throughout, screened-in front entry and back lanai with an extra back paver patio, a custom garage screen, crown molding, custom backsplash, extra wide driveway, gutters all the way around, upgraded appliance package, custom closet cabinets and laundry cabinets, upgraded lighting and ceiling fans, and so much more. Cascades offers fantastic amenities like a state-of-the-art fitness facility, beautiful heated resort-style community pool and hot tub, grilling stations, tennis and bocce and pickleball courts, and a community room for gatherings like holiday parties and social events. There are loads of social events and neighborhood get-togethers and organized outings like cruises and Broadway shows. River Hall Country Club offers a pay-as-you-play golf or membership, so golf is optional. Residents of Cascades may enjoy the clubhouse for lunch, dinner, and their monthly events. Come see what life is like in Cascades at River Hall, you are gonna love it. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.